Today, many organizations continue to operate on Oracle Forms and Oracle Reports platforms that have delivered reliability for decades. But the environment around them has shifted dramatically. The talent pool is shrinking, operating costs are increasing, integration expectations are higher than ever, and security mandates continue to tighten. Modernization is no longer a technical option. It has become a strategic requirement. In this video, we explore a clear modernization perspective, how leading organizations are reducing risk, strengthening resilience, and transitioning toward open, future-ready technologies with confidence. One of the most pressing challenges is the rapid decline in Oracle Forms and Reports expertise. Experienced developers are retiring or moving to modern ecosystems, while new talent overwhelmingly gravitates toward JavaScript, Java, Python, and cloud-native platforms, rarely toward legacy Oracle technologies. This shift creates a widening and structural talent gap that directly impacts system stability, maintainability, and the ability to support future business demands. For many organizations, this talent shortage is no longer a staffing issue. It's a strategic risk, accelerating the need for modernization. The second challenge is the widening technology gap. Modern applications are built on APIs, cloud services, microservices, automation pipelines, mobile experiences, and scalable distributed architectures. These ecosystems require openness, extensibility, and rapid integration. Oracle Forms and Oracle Reports, however, were never designed for this level of interoperability. As a result, they have become increasingly difficult to integrate, scale, secure, or evolve to meet today's architectural expectations. This gap drives higher support costs, slows innovation, and limits an organization's ability to adopt modern digital capabilities. For many enterprises, the technology gap has become a structural barrier, one that modernization is well required to overcome. Open technologies such as Java, JavaScript, React, Angular, and JasperReports offer the flexibility, scalability, and integration readiness that modern architectures demand. They also provide access to a broad global talent pool, ensuring long-term sustainability and reducing dependency on scarce proprietary skills. JasperReports, in particular, has emerged as a powerful successor to Oracle Reports. Its open, cross-platform nature and the strength of its surrounding ecosystem enable organizations to modernize reporting with greater agility while aligning with contemporary development standards. For many enterprises, adopting open technologies is not just a technical upgrade. It's a strategic shift toward a more resilient and future-ready IT foundation. Manual migration of Oracle reports can require significant time and effort. For organizations aiming for a predictable and efficient modernization journey, automation becomes an essential enabler. In many modernization projects, RENAPS and its partners leverage accelerators, such as ORMIT-Jasper, to streamline the transition toward JasperReports. These tools help analyze existing Oracle Reports assets, including data models, layouts, parameters, formulas, and triggers, and convert them into JRXML with consistent logic and structure. By automating the most repetitive and error-prone steps, accelerators like ORMIT-Jasper reduce manual work, increase reliability, and shorten modernization timelines. Organizations that modernize typically follow 4 key steps. First, audit existing forms and reports. Second, use automated migration with tools like ORMIT-Jasper. Third, verify and refine the results in JasperSoft Studio. And fourth, gradually adopt the modern technology stack. Oracle Forms and Oracle Reports have supported mission-critical operations for decades, but the strategic landscape has changed. Organizations now require platforms that offer agility, resilience, integration, readiness, and long-term talent sustainability. Today, automated modernization and open technologies provide a forward-looking foundation, one that reduces operational risk, unlocks innovation, and aligns IT with modern architectural standards. With accelerators like ORMIT-Jasper, supported by RENAPS modernization experts, enterprises can transition faster and more predictably, preserving business logic while adopting a future-proof reporting framework. Beginning this journey now positions your organization for stronger resilience, lower technical debt, and sustainable growth in the years ahead.